my last question, how does the payment work?
So you can pay us by using PayPal. Do you use PayPal?
No.
No. Then PayPal, Payoneer or Zoom. Right now we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package and weekly package. And in this package, we have to completely SEO optimize you 10 videos and including organic promotion. And our 10 videos cost is 120 US dollar. And also we have another and premium package that's called monthly package. And in this package, we have to completely SEO optimization your 30 videos including organic promotion and including your whole channel optimization, and our monthly package cost is only 300 US dollar.
So the
Hello ma'am, how are you?
good, how are you?
Yeah, we are doing very well. Can you open your camera please if you have no issue? Oh, nice to see you.
Nice to see you as well.
Yeah. Okay. Can I start our presentation?
Sure.
At first, thank you so much for joining with us. In here you can see two person is available. My name is Rifat Shorkar. My name is Rifat, and Ariful Islam. He is actually reach out to you, and we are working together. And we have a digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, and we are providing digital marketing all type of services. So this purpose today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You have a great YouTube channel, and you want to get more views, get more traffic in your channel. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So for your YouTube channel, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO. That means search engine optimization. And in this session, we have to at first research your whole channel. That means what is your channel category? What is your channel niche? And which people will be your audience? We have to research it. And then we have to research your videos category. And then we have to research your niche related keyword. That's mean which keyword your audience search on YouTube to watching your niche related videos. We have to find out this type of relevant and high volume and low competitive keyword, and then we have to input this type of keyword your videos backend section like title, description, and also text section. And you know we are YouTube SEO expert, and we have a lot of YouTube certified tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, RapidTag, Google Keyword Planner, so we can find out your keyword by that. Okay, so by that we have to research your videos backend section and optimize your videos. So that is actually YouTube SEO work. That's mean organic work. And also we have another option that's called organic promotion. And in this session, we have to simply copy your videos link and we have to share by using social media site. You know, we have a lot of social media site like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr, Reddit, and this type of social media site using a lot of people, you know. So we can share your videos to them. Okay, so that is the process actually. And also we have another and last method that's called Google Ads. That's mean paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose the Google Ads. But right now and for fast, we will recommend you can choose the organic work and SEO work because it's organic and it's very powerful. Right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency, our previous work, and their result?
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm gonna share my screen. In here, I think you can see in here, it's our website. The domain name is freelancingschoolbd.com. And in here, it's me, the smiley man. And you can click on the portfolio section. Then you can see a lot of work we have already done. You can click on YouTube section and you can see work prof sheet, YouTube promotion, social media platform, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit. Okay, so you can click on this section, then you can see vidIQ, the YouTube certified SEO tools. Okay, and you can click on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Ads, social media management. And also we can check our team section. I have already mentioned you, we are not only two team member, we have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, and you can check it out our team. And you can click on our client meeting section, then you can see a lot of work, a lot of client. After finish our meeting, my boy will send you the information, our website link and etc. Then you can check it out by your own. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you, ma'am.
Okay. Can you send a link to some of that, like the before and after and what the results were? And then Do you have any US clients?
Yes, yes. You can check it out on our website because our 90% client from US, UK, Canada. So you can check it out, of course.
Okay.
Yeah. So do you have any question, ma'am?
No, those are the questions that I had.
Okay, okay. So can I explain our packages budget?
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much. Right now we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package and weekly package. And in this package, we have to completely SEO optimize you 10 videos and including organic promotion. And our 10 videos cost is 120 US dollar. You 10 videos completely SEO optimization and including organic promotion 120 US dollar. And also we have another and premium package that's called monthly package. And in this package we have to completely SEO optimization your 30 videos including organic promotion and including your whole channel optimization like your channel description, your channel keyword, your channel text section. I think you know about that. We have to optimize your channel, your whole channel. And our monthly package cost is only 300 US dollar.
So the first package, you were talking a little faster. Just want to slow down for a second. The first package, I think you said was 120, and
Yes.
that included 10 videos, optimization. What is the promotion again?
Optimization and organic promotion like social media posting, social media promotion.
Okay, so you would post on my social media channels or you
Mhm.
optimize. Help me understand what you mean by that.
Yeah, we have to promote your videos like I can copy your videos link and I can share your videos on the
Uh,
social media site to a lot of
gotcha,
audience.
gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, so yes, I recommend you the basic plan. You can try it, and after finish the package, if you see yes, result is coming, and you are satisfied with our work, then you can hire us for a long time. So you can try fast our basic plan. Yes.
How have your results been on the basic and how long would I expect to see results?
You know, SEO optimization, it's organic work, but if your content are valuable, if your content are perfect and valuable, then our first job is we have to shows your videos to your targeted audience. Then when your audience will see your audience is valuable, then they will click your videos. So you can get your perfect, you can get your targeted results. So it's totally organic work. So you will get day by day, not one day, boom. It's not possible. You will get the result day by day.
And what goes into the research? Like, I have a very niche podcast. Tell me about your research process in order to be able to speak to this audience.
That's a good question. At first, my boy, he will research your whole channel. Like, what is your channel category? What is your niche? What is your podcast niche? And which people is your targeted audience? And where is their location? He will research for you your channel analytics section. You know, I think about analytics section. Then he can find out your audience age group, your audience location, I mean maximum audience location and their interest. And after that he can find out their targeted keyword. So in this way he will find out all of that.
And my last question, how does a payment work?
So you can pay us by using PayPal. Do you use PayPal?
No.
No. Then PayPal, Payoneer or Zoom.
No. Zelle. Do you have Zelle or Venmo? No. Well,
Then
that can come later. I need to see, I need to do some more research to figure out if I'm gonna move forward. But I definitely appreciate the presentation and you all making the time.
okay, okay, thank you so much. And one more information, we need your channel access for working your channel backend. Like we have to edit your videos title, description. So for that, but we still no need your channel login information like email or password because it's your privacy and you it's your privacy. So we just need your channel access by manager or editor. Do you know
Yes.
how to keep?
Mhm.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
after finish
Yeah.
our meeting, my boy Ariful, he will send you his email address. Then you can give him access, then he will work with you. Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.